Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, then hello. So this is gonna be another one of my super fast, quick, hopefully, no edit videos. I'm doing a Dollar Tree haul. It should be very fast. I didn't really get that much. I do this thing now where I go into stores with lists and like stick to them basically for the most part. It's like, I'm telling you, I'm brand freaking new in 2020. Brand new. So I had two lists. I didn't really find much of what was on the list, but I got a few things. I'm just going to start off with like what's on top basically. I feel like there's always three things that I always, like food wise anyways, that I always get whenever I go to Dollar Tree because I just have to, because I know it's there and just some kind of way it just happens and I buy it. So I love hot tamales. I'm on keto. These definitely are not keto. I cheat on my keto sometimes. I'm a cheater. I cheat on my keto. There we go. Another way to cheat on my keto because I'm a cheater. But I just like couldn't not get these. Like so good. How many do you get in here? About 3 servings per container. So I'm guessing that's 6. If it says serving size is 2, 3 servings per container, you multiply, right? Maybe. But these are just the Resto Stover caramel in fine milk chocolate. These things, it's like, I don't know why, but I just get the idea. I always have the idea that Resto Stover chocolate is not good. I guess it's because you can find it at the Dollar Tree and at Walmart. So I'm like, this is like cheap, not good chocolate. This chocolate, you guys, and these are individually wrapped, so cute. I need to put these all the way in the back and at the bottom of my fridge. That's where they're gonna go after this video. This one is got a little hole in it, but the whole bag was sealed, so we'll see how it looks. Okay, but like this chocolate, is this not safe to eat? I'm about to eat it because the entire bag itself was sealed. I don't see any like mice bitings on it, so I think it's fine. Anyways, look at this freaking chocolate though. And like, it's the caramel one, so it's just straight caramel inside. Oh god. Caramel. So much thick. Straight caramel. This is great. So good. I'm making a mess. I forgot to put my phone on airplane mode. So that should help me go even faster through this video. Because if someone calls me, it's done. It's over. Alright. I should have taken stuff out of the bag. But of course I didn't. Alright. Last thing of candy, I swear. Had to get Sour Patches. It has to happen. These are the two things that I always get. The hot tamales. It just happens. I don't know how it happens, but it does. It just does. And then I picked up some stuff. This was not on my list. The candy was on my list. Like, I always know I'm going to pick those up usually. So, like, whatever. It was on the list. These things were not on the list, but they kind of were at the same time. First thing definitely wasn't. It's the minced garlic, okay? I wanted to get this before when I was with my mom, and she was like, Anna, that's really unhealthy because like all the stuff that's in there makes it last longer on the shelf, this, that, and I was like, oh yeah, you're right, like, not good. But like, I just keep seeing people haul it, and every time I see it, I just want it, because I'm like, I don't use garlic that often, and I'm like, why do I not use garlic though? And I'm like, it's because I don't buy garlic. And I thought garlic was like good for you for like, especially around this time if you're like sick. I thought. Could be wrong. So I got that. I don't know. I've been wanting it, kind of. This was not on the list either, but it's a huge thing of pumpkin spice seasoning by the Supreme Tradition. I don't know. It's from the Dollar Tree, you know? But I like adding this in my... Oh, it's sealed. I was like, I didn't check. In my coffees and stuff. I don't know. It's a good flavor. Even when I eat like yogurt, like Greek yogurt, plain, but I put that on it. So good. It's good. And then I got 2 of the Imitation vanilla extract. I know the Imitation isn't as good as like actual, what's the word? I don't know. Actual vanilla extract, like pure vanilla extract, but it's super expensive. And on top of being super expensive, you usually get a bottle that's like this tiny. So I'm not there for that. So this was only $1. And I cannot drink my matcha powder, like a matcha green tea, without adding vanilla extract. It's just not possible for me. I don't know. So got 2 of those because I go through pretty fast. And I'm like, this is so much for $1. It's probably not the healthiest. It's probably not keto, but like sometimes like I just gotta do it. 8 fluid ounces for $1. And then I picked up this when I was standing in line. It's just the micro USB cable, because I realized that my phone charger is like kind of breaking, and I literally just gave my mom a different one. I thought I had like 3 or 4 cords. Apparently I only had 2. So I gave her one, and now I realize that mine is like kind of not in the best shape. So I'm just going to get like one for a backup just in case. So I picked this one up. Okay, why is it like stuck in this thing? Oh my God. I don't even know if this is for my phone. My phone is currently charging, so I couldn't even tell you now. I can't deal with this. But I got this as a backup. I'm definitely not using it as like an everyday charger because I thought that wasn't good anyways, to use chargers that aren't the Apple, because I have an iPhone. But that just could be a marketing ploy so that we spend $1 million on a cord when we can go buy one for $1. But that's going to be a backup one just in case it's like 2:30 in the morning. I have an emergency and my phone is dead. Knock on wood, so that never happens. But I got a backup cord just in case. I feel safe about it. One more bag. In here, let us see what is even in here. I got some toothpaste just because I hate spending money on toothpaste, but I'm the kind of person I need like 17 backups of toothpaste just in case. So I only want to spend $1 on it. My mom has a really good Crest toothpaste that I used at her house when I was there, and I even took a picture of it. They didn't have it at the Dollar Tree, but I just like grabbed this one. I feel like I usually buy Colgate, but I don't know. It's toothpaste at the end of the day, right? I just got one of those because I just need it for a backup. And then I got some more deodorant. I hate spending money on deodorant. They're super expensive. They're like $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14, $15 for freaking aluminum that you're putting in your armpits. But the way my anxiety is set up, I really need to like have deodorant. I do have natural deodorant as well, so don't come for me, that I use when I'm like home by myself, because if I stank at home by myself, I'm okay. But when I go out in public, I gotta have like deodorant, I guess. So I'm gonna use these because it's $1 and it works. Someone can let me know if it doesn't work. But I've never seen this one there before, I guess. I'm not really sure. I don't really like the powder fresh scent of these Suave ones, but that's the only scent that I saw this one in, the 24-hour, versus just like this solid. Oh, it's because this is Suave. I like Secret. Okay, well that was my mistake. I'm just not even going to talk about this anymore. I did see this was in like a, what's it called also? Like a tropical paradise scent. That's weird. I grabbed this one thinking that it was Secret brand. It's not, so my bad. But I mean, I'm going to use it anyways, but like my bad. But I usually get Secret, but I usually get the Shower Fresh scent. I still cannot find the deodorant sprays that a lot of people had been finding like a few months ago. I've never seen them in any store that I've been to. I've been to stores here in Pennsylvania and in Delaware, never seen it. So that's fun times. Oh my God, I got 2 of the Suaves. 2 of the Suaves. I thought that I was getting Secret. I was wrong. But I've mentioned before, I'm kind of trying to stockpile a little bit with like some skincare, beauty products, healthcare products, just to make sure that I have it for the year, because that's the kind of person that I am. Crazy doomsday prepper, apparently. It's only $1, so like, I'm just gonna keep it. Still trying to stock up because I said I want to have 12 of these. I need to have 12 deodorants too because crazy person here. Need to have 12 of these. I want 2 of the orange ones and 2 of the white. 2 of each. 6 of the white, 6 of the orange bottles. I kind of don't like the way the orange one smells though. I finally used one like yesterday, last night. I don't really know if I like it, but this one smells so much better. It's just like girlier, fresher. The other one's kind of more manly, the orange one. So I think I'm just gonna get the rest of this color. I only got one today because I just didn't feel like carrying around a ton of stuff. Yeah, it happens. Okay. And then I got some more of the shampoo and conditioner sets by Suave. I'm fine with Suave for these. But so I got just 2, I was about to say flavors, different scents of these. So the Juicy Green Apple shampoo conditioner. Trying to stock up again. I want 12 sets of shampoo and conditioner because doomsday. Just in case I will have clean hair. And you guys will be asking me for some shampoo and conditioner. Okay. And then I got the Tropical Coconut. What is this one? The shampoo conditioner. So I just got these 2 sets today. I gotta see how many I'm at now because I want to have 12, you know. And there's 4 different scents, sets, flavors, smells. So annoying. So that means what? 3 sets of each is 12? Possibly. Then the last thing that I got is already in my freezer because it's frozen. I got the Jamaican beef patties. If you've ever had the Jamaican beef patties, I can't help myself. I know they're there at the Dollar Tree. So it's just like, I know they're there. So like subconsciously, I don't know what happens. I end up over there in front of the freezer. Some kind of way, my hand ends up opening the freezer door, grabbing out about 7 of them. And then before I know it, I'm at the cash register, walking to my car with everything. I get home, I'm taking stuff out of my bag, and I have like 17, and I'm like, what the heck happened? But they're in my freezer because I'm on keto, cheating on my keto. Going great. No. Sometimes I do cheat on my keto though, and I'm okay with it. I'm fine with it. I'm still losing weight, so it's great. Yeah, but so that is my Dollar Tree haul. I'm like obsessed with wearing these like HRH collection chokers, by the way. Just gotta say that. Just had to throw that in there. But yeah, I'm gonna eat just this little bit of my chocolate left and put the rest of this freaking candy away. I didn't even open this one yet though, so I'm proud of myself. But I'm gonna go eat one of the Jamaican beef patties. I got dose. So that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. Let me know in the comments below. Oh my god, it's not it. The main reason why I left out today. Oh, they're right here. I was looking for just a few Valentine's Day things. Valentine's Day is not my time. I never liked it. Probably because no one ever gets me anything. But so, I had to get these. I love these like sign type long board wall hangs. So I got one of each. Got this one. Got the white one. These were on my list, so it's okay. This one was not on my list, but it's super cute, and this could actually be used like kind of any time. It's a whiteboard with just the red glitter around the edge, and the glitter isn't like crazy. It's like staying on. So it's nice. But so I wanted a blackboard anyways for over by my bar cart downstairs in the living room. So that's going to fit perfect. And it matches with the season. So like I'm doing great. Awesome. That is it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have found anything interesting lately, fun, festive at the Dollar Tree, or anything that I should be on the hunt for at Dollar Tree, because I love Dollar Tree. It's only a doll freaking hair. It is great. Give the video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. You want to see some more of my Dollar Tree hauls. I gotta stop shopping though eventually, like yesterday though. So we'll see how that goes. Make sure you're subscribed subscribe if you haven't yet. Push the notification. It's annoying. I don't know. Make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on more of my videos. Muchísimas gracias for watching este video. And I'm gonna go eat Jamaican beef patty. All right. Bye guys.